Active
Yes.
learning. Learning what?
Interactive
Okay, interactive learning
model.
model. Okay. Okay, cool.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Collaborative.
I think these three is something we can start with. So let's finalize on the last part now. Let's finalize on the selected
Selected.
products.
Is
So
it product or problem?
products. So
So what
now that we've been able to come up with about three solutions: a digital literacy program, adequate learning platform, interactive learning modem. So what do you think we can actually create that would, I think we should call this one solutions instead of products. Digital
yeah, that's what I'm
solutions. Yeah. I think we should call it digital solutions. Thank you. So I think we should call it digital solutions. That's good. All right. So now that we've come up with our three solutions, so what particular product can we create to imbibe to include these solutions to, you know, to apply these, where we can apply these solutions, a digital solution, a digital product. What do you suggest? What do you suggest? Should we create hello, are you there?
yes.
Okay. So should we create what do I call it now? Should we create a food that people can be eating so that they will have more digital literacy? There will be more digital literate, or we should create a food that when people eat, it will give them more adequate learning platform, or it will,
Food that give people adequate learning platform.
yes, or food that will.
Can we do that?
So we are brainstorming now. So is it food that we should create, or is it candy? Maybe we should mix some. We should use a formula to mix some, ingredients together and create and make a candy that when people eat, it will make them more digital literate, or it will create more adequate platform for them automatically, or it will produce more interactive learning models for them. So what platform, what product can we create? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What do you suggest?
Well, I think in a situation like
Hmm.
this adequate learning platform,
Okay.
someone can create a platform where everybody will come together,
Hmm.
say your mind, I say my own. Do you get?
Yeah, yeah, I get, I
That is
get.
not part of
You are making sense. Come on, continue. You're making
adequate
sense.
learning platform. It can even be a classroom or a platform, a WhatsApp group or online class like this.
Okay. So that means we will need a platform where we can have people where we can have interactive medium, right? When people can come together to
Yes.
learn. That's like feature now. If I just identify a feature, all right. So interactive community, more like a community platform. Okay. So we need a community platform. We need a community platform. We need a content platform, a cloud that we can be able to upload display content,
Information.
yeah, information on digital literacy courses, right? We need um platforms that can even be used, that's what we're talking about, learning center. So we need learning platform where people can learn.
Platform must be. must be accessible for the students, for
Yes,
everybody.
accessible platform for students and teacher and educators, students and educators. So accessible platform for students and educators.
And
So
everybody must be able to engage
exactly,
in
that's a
what is
safe,
being said.
safe environment, safe and conducive environment, and conducive platform. Yeah, safe and conducive platform that can enable everybody to engage. Safe, engaging, and conducive platform.
And they
Um,
can integrate digital literacy training.
Beautiful, integrative platform. Integrative platform. Beautiful. Integrative platform. Um, content, content, quiz management platform. Assessment, okay, or we can call it assessment as a general term. Assessment management platform. So we have a lot here. We have a lot of features here already. So I think that's good for now. You can, if you have more, you can add more. Okay, so having said that, so what platform can we have that will be able to integrate all these things? So we may need to come up with a mobile, an application.
I think almost everybody have access to WhatsApp. I think WhatsApp is better.
Now you cannot use WhatsApp because WhatsApp is already an existing product. So you want to
And what?
it's already an existing product now.
Okay, you want something that is not existing.
So what are we doing? What are we here for? We are here to brainstorm, to design something, to create a product.
Okay,
So
okay, yeah, got it.
if WhatsApp was solving that problem already, we will not be identifying this kind of gap. We will not be thinking of this. So that
Yeah,
means what we just be saying that, oh, we already have an existing, we already have so application that can do this, and of course this is just the first stage. We are still going to do research to know the existing applications that are solving problem exactly as this or related to this. So for every project you embark on, for every task you embark on, these are the process, or these are the steps, or these are the steps rather, that you should follow. You have to brainstorm, you have to think deep. So you can't be thinking, you are brainstorming, you are already thinking of, oh, let's go and use. You want to design something, you're a creator, you want to create a product.
okay.
So we will need a
So you
mobile
have set the
application.
website,
Sorry?
mobile application. Okay,
So we need a mobile application to help us achieve this. So these are our final these are our final uh conclusion. So we
please wait.
so for us to move forward now, so what are you going to do? So in this case now, what we are supposed to do now, we are supposed to add this link, the link to this project, brainstorming
Okay,
section.
that's the link, right?
I'm coming. Brainstorm. I'm changing the name. So you can come here. Can come here. Click on share. Click on share. Use anyone with the link. Remove it from the restricted. Then copy link. Done. So come back to Trello. Now, for the brainstorming section, we are going to add um we are going to
Okay, you
add
pasted the link.
I want to do that now. That's what I want to show you now. Yes. So come up here. Um, okay, let me just add it here so that to be easier for you to access. So here now we can now have the brainstorming section link. So you can have it here. So you select that, then you now select this link icon, then come here and paste the link, then insert. So automatically this particular text has the link to this work document, so you don't need to write anything. Once you come to the card yourself, you're able to access the link. So this is it here.
Okay.
So just click on it to bring you here. So having said that, we can now come here and check these guys because we've done them. So check, and we are done. So what you do now is you carry this from doing, take it to done. You get it, right? So the next thing that we want to brand our project, so come here and select this. What are we to do? We are to give a project name, and we are to create the project logo. So this is under doing. So what we're going to do now, let's now come together and think. All right, so now that we have identified some of the gaps that we want to design for, even though this is not the last, this is just like the this is just like a brainstorming section, not the actual design section. This is just a brainstorming section. So with this that we've come up with, now we can now suggest, okay, what name can we call this product? What name can we call it? What name?
Can we call what you want to the mobile application?
The name we want to call it. Like we know we have different type of um applications, education applications out there. We have a lot. So I don't want to mention any name yet. There's a stage when we'll get to when we'll look at those applications, but for now, let's just think of one ourselves. So when you are thinking the name, make sure that you factor culture, cultural taste, and make sure that you factor a general acceptable name, a name that is not a inclusive platform. Inclusive. Our platform has to be inclusive. Everybody must be able to use that platform. We must not segregate anybody. We must not be segregated from people that cannot that are having disabilities. It must not seclude people that must not be gender biased, must not be anything biased. So it has to be very all inclusive. It must be an all inclusive platform for everyone. So what do you call it? What do you call it?
The visual learn. Let me type the name I have with you. Let me type it for you.
Me, I have one already. Let me write it out.
Okay.
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 Okay. So what's your own name? Come, let's bring it on. Bring it on.
Ṣé igi ìwé lọ pẹ̀lú gbogbo tẹ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe yìí? Sorry o.
It's my suggestion now. So I'm not saying that's what we'll use. That's what came to my head. So instead of just shutting off my thoughts, let me write it down and put it out. That may not be the final thing, but that's one thing you must learn as a designer. When there is a sound or there is an idea in your head, okay, you should um put it down. Don't just shut it up. Put it down. It may make sense later on.
You use digital scholar?
I hope you heard what I said.
Yes.
So digital scholar, that's also a nice one.
Learn is.
Learn it.
Is. No, is. EASE.
EASE. SE. Okay, learn is.
Learn.
Learn is already a product, and that Learn is was developed by my boss.
Really, oh.
Yeah,
That means you think what's you share to that.
you are not in this space now, so how would you know? You
Oh,
did you do you
smart
do you how
connect.
many platforms do you use? It's not just business that you are doing. So
Oh yeah, smart connect. Oh
smart
yeah.
co- smart connect looks something that is existing, but ẹ kà ṣàfikàlẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Smart connect, that's nice.
Tech learn.
Tech learn is tech learn. Okay. It looks like restricted to just technology, but let's just add it. Tech learn. Igi ìwé edu virtual learn. Edu virtual learn yẹn. Ogun. Digital scholar, smart connect, tech learn. Okay. So this process we are into now is what we call ideation. We are ideating, we are bringing up, brainstorming on ideas, and we are trying to make sense out of it. Okay, ideation.
Alright.
All right. So tech learn. Oh yeah. That can be all. Ṣé kò ti tán ni? Go and buy fuel.
Let's keep on.
Eh?
I said you still need more.
Let's have more. Let's have enough. Oh.
More.
Because if we do research now, we realize that any of this is existing, we have to come back to this stage.
Ha. Okay, edu space. Edu
Edu
space.
space is existing. But let's also,
Ah,
it's existing, but let's add it. Edu space. Edu cloud.
learn mobile tech.
Edu cloud.
Okay.
Sabi learn.
Sabi learn.
Sabi
Sabi
learn.
more.
Sabi learn. Sabi learn. Oh, that one makes sense. That gives a kind of cultural taste there. You know, sounds like
Sabi
a
more. Reach sharp.
sounds like a
Yeah.
Why are you shouting? Sabi
I was
learn.
speaking like almost four.
Learn over. Uh,
Nova. N-O-V. Nova.
NOV.
V, no, no. A. Yes.
Over.
Oh, that Nova.
Okay.
Edu syndrome space.
No. Mba. What's the good?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Academic. That's the case of the Let me look for more.
Okay, now Smart Connect. Smart Connect looks like this social media platform.
E-connect.
E-Connect.
E-connect. I just think it.
All those ones looks like existing names now. So
E-connect is existing though.
yeah, so
Okay, EduTech Connect. EduTech Connect nǹkan.
you can't. If you use EduTech, you have restricted the platform.
Learn space nǹkan. Learn space.
Have you not heard that?
Is learn space here?
Okay, nice space.
Virtual scholar.
Virtual scholar.
Edu visa.
Edu visa. No, can't use this. This one is like all these consultancy firms.
Virtual learn connect.
That was too long.
It's too long. Alright. So like how many are we looking for now?
Edu window.
Okay. See
Okay.
EduTech one be.
I think this is okay. So
Alright.
for Iggy Way, let's see if it's existing. So Iggy Way app.
Kò sí àpò tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Okay, we have a shocking by. That's Iggy Mobile. Iggy Vitality.
Oríṣiríṣi mobile. Àwọn
Iggy.
mélòó ló wá ń lò?
I don't know now. Okay, it's none. So let's check for Edu Virtual Learn. This one said long. It's not sweet in the mouth.
Yeah. Oh, I want to go to school. Nobody's using this.
You learn. We have you learn. I learn. Okay,
I learn.
but it's not sweet. It's too long.
You learn.
Digital Scholar. I think Digital Scholar. I think there's a half on that already. But let me still confirm. Digital Scholar.
Fine. No.
You see, Digital Scholar is existing. Sure not to
Under.
about one self. It's number one on my screen.
Motiri.
See, Digital Scholar. So we can't use it. Smart Connect. No, forget Smart Connect. Tech Learn.
That.
Edu Space.
Open exist.
Let's check Edu Space. Edu Space is existing. It's on Google Play.
What happened?
Edu Cloud.
Which one Google Mama exist in here?
Sit down.
Use up Edu.
Sit down there. You think that what you are thinking and somebody is not thinking it. You see, Edu Cloud is even existing too. As you are thinking what you are thinking, and somebody else somewhere is thinking about it too. So the first person is first come, first serve. So if you sit down there and you are not actualizing what you are thinking, you're your own. Sabi learn. Okay, Sabi learn. You see, Sabi learn is already existing. You see? So this may be our competitor that we will have to study. Sabi learn is existing. This Sabi learn looks like a friend. It looks like a friend site. I remember there's a friend of mine were talking about that Sabi learn something before. I'm going to look into it. I think it looks like a friend site. It's like a friend's app. I'm going to check it out to see if it's the one or someone else. Learn Nova is already existing. Learn Nova is existing. Learn Space my exists shining. Learn Space should be existing too. I want to believe. Learn Space is also existing. Virtual Scholar. Virtual Scholar. Virtual Scholar is existing. So where are you seeing this name from? Edu Window.
Is it there Edu Window is not existing? We are using it. Also.
Edu Window. Is that how you want to treat your customers? Our client talk? You don't want to take time. You don't want to invest time to give you quality. You don't want to rush work and leave.
Maybe it's our job.
So Edu Window.
It's not.
Edu Window is okay.
Oh yeah.
Edu Window. Edu Window. Edu Window.
Window 11 or Window 10.
Edu Window.
Let's put number.
Edu Window. Edu Window. Edu Window. How does it sound? Does it sound global? Does it sound local?
It's not Edu Window. I'm happy Edu Window.
Edu Window.
Àwọn ọmọ ìfowópamọ́ baby Edu Window. Ẹ bá wọlé yẹ ká máa lò bẹ́ẹ̀.
Edu window, edu space. Okay, edu space. What?
One no now.
Edu window. Is that okay by is that fine by you? Edu window is fine, right?
It's okay. Someone that use Sabile, because share Sabile, stand okay. I Sabile, I can know.
So edu window. So we are going to be creating a platform called
Edu window.
edu window. Edu window. Edu window. Edu window. Edu window. Edu window. Okay, it's just a virtual product anyway. So let's see how that goes. So we've come to a conclusion of using edu window, right? Do we all agree to that?
Yes.
All right. So we've given a project name. So it's left with logo. So you have to come up with that. What's the deadline? Tomorrow morning. So we are
Can
still
I bring logo now?
no. Take your time on that. You don't have to rush it. Take your time. Take your
So
time.
the logo is going to be on Edu window, right?
Yes. So any information you
All right.
need, just come to brainstorm section here. Open the
All
card
right.
and click on this link. Sure you get.
Okay.
Click on the link. It will take you to the document if you need any further information. So we are going to stop this section here today, and
Okay.
from tomorrow we would commence our UX design. Okay. So the things we need to know, the things we need to do as regarding UX. So we'll commence tomorrow, and I believe by now you already understand what UX design means and the pillars involved. So all those 4 pillars, we'll start actualizing them starting from tomorrow. Do you understand?
All right.
So that has been the class. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
I took a long.
Okay. So do you have any question?
No questions, sir.
All right. So take your time to come on the workspace. You know, check 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 around, see what we have on what you have as task, and see what you have to do. So
Okay.
so
So
that
tomorrow we are going to work on the mobile app design, Abi.
on tomorrow we commence the UX design of the mobile app of
UX
of
design.
Endo window. So now
Okay.
I think we can even change this name now to
Edu
Edu
window.
window. Yeah. Since we've come up with a name already. So Edu window. So that will be all from here today. So